In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google profile picture using Gmail, a straightforward process that will help personalize your account. Whether you want to update your photo for a fresh new look or simply make your account more recognizable, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. To begin your journey, open your web browser of choice and navigate to gmail.com. If you haven't already, sign into your Gmail account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile picture icon, or it may appear as your initial if you haven't set a photo yet. Click on this icon to open a menu. In this menu, look for the option labeled Manage Your Google Account and give it a click. This will redirect you to the central hub of your Google account settings. From here, you'll have access to all the various options and controls Google offers to tailor your account to your preferences. Within this settings area, you'll want to focus on the Personal Info tab, located in the navigation on the left side. Select it to reach a section labeled Basic Info. Here, you'll notice your profile photo or a placeholder icon depending on if you've set a photo previously. Click on this image or icon to enter the profile picture settings. You'll see a small camera button. Click on it to proceed. Now, you have the choice to update your picture. You can select Change if you're aiming to swap out your current image. At this point, Google offers a couple of straightforward options. You can scroll through their recommended photos if you're interested in choosing something from Google's suggestions, or you can opt to upload a photo from your computer library if you have a specific image in mind. Once you've decided which route you'd like to take, choose your preferred photo. If everything looks good and you're satisfied with your selection, click the Next button. Google will prompt you to confirm this new photo to ensure it meets your satisfaction. After making sure everything looks just right, then click Save as Profile Picture. And there you are. Your Google profile picture is updated and ready to help make your account uniquely yours. These steps are easy and quick, yet offer you a way to show a bit of your personality every time your Google profile picture appears. Feel free to revisit these instructions anytime you want to freshen up your profile picture with a new image. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made personalizing your Google account that much easier. Enjoy your day, and see you in the next video.